Most people stay stuck, broke, frustrated, full of regrets. Not because they lack talent, not because they lack ideas, not because the world is unfair. They stay stuck because they lack one thing: discipline. The quiet, boring, daily force that turns dreams into reality. You think success is about motivation, about feeling ready, about waiting for the perfect moment? Wrong. Success is about forcing yourself to do the work when you don't feel like it, when you're tired, when you're doubtful, when no one is watching. That's discipline. And today, in the next few minutes, I'm going to light a fire under you to build it, starting tonight. Because no one is coming to save you. No magic app, no rich uncle, no viral moment. Only you can force the change. Are you ready to discipline your life? Let's go. Let me tell you where I learned this the hard way. I wasn't born disciplined, far from it. I was the guy who failed school exams over and over. The guy rejected by 30 jobs in a row. The guy who came home after another no, sat in a dark room and thought, maybe I'm just not good enough. Self-doubt was loud. Excuses were easy. I'll start tomorrow. I'm too tired after work. I deserve to relax. Sound familiar? Those years felt like a prison. No money, no progress, no respect, even from myself. But one morning I looked in the mirror and said, enough. If I keep waiting to feel motivated, I'll die waiting. So I forced myself to wake up early. Forced myself to read when I wanted to sleep. Forced myself to work on ideas when everyone else was watching TV. It hurt. It was lonely. It felt unfair. But slowly, something shifted. Rejection still came, but I was stronger. Ideas turned into action. Action turned into results. Discipline didn't feel like punishment anymore. It felt like freedom. Because the truth is, discipline is self-respect. When you force yourself to do what you said you would do, you start trusting yourself. And when you trust yourself, the world starts trusting you too. So what is discipline really? It's not willpower contests or extreme routines. It's daily control. Control over your time, control over your emotions, control over your habits, control over your focus, control over your standards. It's saying no to the easy thing so you can say yes to the important thing. It's choosing the pain of growth over the pain of regret. Most people think discipline is restriction. No. Discipline is the highest form of freedom, because an undisciplined life is chaos, bills piling up, dreams fading, confidence crumbling. A disciplined life? Calm, clear, powerful. Wealth follows it. Opportunities follow it. Respect follows it. Now, let's get to the real lessons, the ones that changed everything for me. Lesson 1. Discipline comes before motivation. Motivation is a feeling. It comes and goes like weather. Discipline is a decision. You make it once, then you keep it every day. I wasn't motivated to wake up at 5 a.m. when I was broke. I forced myself, day after day. After 30 days, it became habit. After 90 days, it became identity. You wait for motivation, you'll wait forever. Force the action. Motivation shows up as a thank you. Lesson 2. Consistency beats talent every single time. Talent gets attention. Consistency gets results. I've seen talented people crash because they only worked when they felt inspired. I've seen average people build empires because they showed up every day. No excuses. 1 hour a day on your skill, your business, your health, compounded over years, creates unstoppable momentum. Talent is a spark. Consistency is the fire. Lesson 3. Sacrifice comfort today for freedom tomorrow. This one hurts, but it's true. Comfort is the enemy of growth. Scrolling instead of learning. Sleeping in instead of building. Spending instead of investing. Every time you choose comfort, you buy a ticket to stay exactly where you are. Every time you choose discomfort, early mornings, hard conversations, delayed gratification, you buy freedom. I sacrificed parties, lazy weekends, easy money for years. People called me crazy. Now I have time, money, choices. That's freedom. Lesson 4.
Disciplined people attract opportunities. Here's the magic. When you discipline your life, your energy changes. You become reliable, focused, calm under pressure. People notice. Investors trust you. Customers choose you. Partners join you. Opportunities don't find lucky people. They find prepared people. Discipline prepares you. Lesson 5. Self-control creates confidence, and confidence creates wealth. When you control your impulses, your spending, your time, your reactions, you build trust in yourself. That trust becomes quiet confidence. And confidence? It's magnetic. An undisciplined life equals constant anxiety. A disciplined life equals inner peace. Choose peace. Okay, enough truth bombs. Let's get actionable. Here are the habits you start today to discipline your life. Simple, powerful, do them. First, own your mornings. Wake up at the same time every day. No snooze. First hour, no phone. Move your body. Plan your day. Feed your mind. Read. Learn. Think. Control the start. Control the day. Second, master your money. Track every expense. Save first, spend second. Live below your means while you build. Discipline with money equals financial freedom later. Third, protect your focus. Say no to distractions. One task at a time. Delete time-wasting apps if you must. Deep work creates deep results. Fourth, train your body. Move daily. Eat clean, sleep enough. A strong body carries a strong mind. Fifth, raise your standards. Stop tolerating mediocrity. In your work, your circle, your habits. Demand more from yourself. The world will follow. Sixth, review every night. What went well, what to improve. Plan tomorrow. This closes the loop. Turns days into progress. Start small. One habit. Force it for 30 days. Then add another. Momentum will carry you. Now feel this. You. Yes, you listening right now. It's time to stop the excuses. Stop waiting for permission. Stop blaming the economy, your past, your boss, your parents. No one is coming to discipline your life for you. You have to force it. You have to choose it every single day. When it's hard, when it's boring, when you're the only one who cares. That's where greatness is built. Raise your standards. Stop thinking small. Stop accepting average. You were not born to pay bills and die. You were born to build something meaningful, to create wealth, to live with purpose, to inspire others. But none of it happens without discipline. So I challenge you, tonight, before you sleep, write down one thing you will force yourself to do tomorrow, no matter what. One thing that scares you a little. One thing that moves you forward. Then do it. And the next day, do it again. Because the version of you in 5 years is watching. Don't let them down. My friends, discipline is not punishment. It is love. Love for your future. Love for your dreams. Love for the life you deserve. When you force yourself to show up, you're telling the universe, I'm serious. I'm ready. Send me the opportunities. And it will. You will become unstoppable. Not because it's easy, but because you chose to be disciplined when others chose comfort. Start today. Force it. Build it. Live it. Your future self is already proud. Thank you. And go discipline your life. The world is waiting for the stronger you. If this video lit a fire in you, do 3 things. 1. Like this video. It tells the algorithm to share this message with more people. 2. Comment below. I'm starting today. Make it public. Hold yourself accountable. 3. Share this with one person who needs to hear it. Be the reason someone else breaks their chains. Subscribe for more content that actually changes your life. See you at the top.